Today in class 10 chemistry we will see and the density and solubility of ammonia, that is a fountain experiment. So using this fountain experiment, the solubility of the ammonia gas in water, if we describe, and there is a first we have to see what are the apparatus we needed. There is a beaker containing a red litmus solution, a dry round bottom flask containing dry ammonia gas clamped in an inverted manner, and a rubber stopper is fixed in the mouth of the flask having two holes, one for jet tube and another for the dropper containing water. So what are the procedure? That is at first few drops of water are introduced into the flask by squeezing the dropper. That is first actually we have to do. Then we will observe that a blue colored fountain is observed inside the round bottom flask. Why actually it is? The observation shows that NH3 gas is highly soluble in water and NH3 gas is basic in nature. So if we give the reason that when water is introduced into flask by squeezing the dropper, highly soluble NH3 gas dissolves in it and the pressure inside round bottom flask decreases suddenly, but pressure outside the flask is still higher. To compensate this pressure difference, red litmus solution in beaker moves toward flask, and the moment it enters the flask, a blue fountain forms because of the changing, because litmus changes its color from red to blue in basic solution. It is the main process and also explanation. Here also you will see the diagram how actually it took place in case of this fountain experiment. Now move on to the reaction of ammonium hydroxide, that is NH4OH, in aqueous solution of ammonia. What features of ammonia molecule is responsible for the formation of ammonium ion when it dissolves in water? In ammonia molecule, the nitrogen atom has a lone pair of electrons which react with H plus ion of water to form ammonium ion by coordinate bond. So the presence of lone pair of electron is responsible for the formation of ammonium ion when it dissolves in water. What are the reaction of ammonium hydroxide with different acid? If we ask, that NH4OH react with different acid to form corresponding ammonium salt, that is NH4OH when react with acid, the ammonium salt in water. That is 2NH4OH plus H2SO4, that is NH4 twice SO4 plus 2H2O, or NH4OH plus HNO3, it will formed as NH4NO3 plus H2O, or NH4OH plus HCl, then it will formed as NH4Cl plus H2O. If I ask what happens when ammonium hydroxide react with different salt solution, then when ammonium hydroxide react with different solution of different salt, then it will give us corresponding ammonium salt and bases. That is FeCl3 plus 3NH4OH. It will formed as FeOH whole thrice, that is reddish brown in color, and 3NH4Cl. Whereas in case of zinc nitrate, that is ZnNO3 whole twice plus 2NH4OH, then as ZnOH whole twice, that is white gelatinous, and 2NH4NO3. Then actually this first reaction, that is ferric hydroxide, is insoluble in excess NH4OH, whereas form this second reaction, that is zinc hydroxide, is soluble in excess NH4OH. So these are the reactions took place in case of this ammonium hydroxide. So today up to that.